Hi everybody, I wanted to do a quick video to show you guys how the tabletop base works for the little mini warmers, for the night lights. So if you have those little wall plug-ins like these here, this one's cute, it's got little boots. But if you've got this wall warmer, the little mini warmer that's a night light that switches on and off, right? If you want to remove or move around your little mini warmers and take them off of the wall and put them on a flat surface, you can do that now with a tabletop base. And I wanted to show you guys how this works. So here's what it looks like. It's a little tabletop base and it sits on any flat surface, plugs in, and then the light bulb comes in here, okay? And then what you would do, and there's a switch on the cord to turn it on and off. I was looking, I thought maybe it was on the back, but it's on the cord just like your regular warmer would be to turn it on and off. So you take your little mini warmer off of its base, and this one happens to be ceramic, and this base is for ceramic or metal. Scentsy does make a base for the glass warmers. The glass warmers are the ones that have like the screw-on threads. So there's a taller base, there's a taller tabletop base that has those actual threads on it, so those glass warmers can thread on. This little one here for the little ceramic or metal warmers is $15, and so is the bigger one. The taller one, it's the same size around, it's just a little taller, and it has the threads for the glass, same price. So you'll see that there's little indentions or little plastic pieces coming off here, just like your warmer has. So you would line that up, and this goes to your light bulb, you know, it'll fit right over that. Just turn it, and then it sits on a table. And you can do this with any of the metal or ceramic warmers, or even glass. They just thread on, the glass ones. All right. If you guys have any questions about these, let me know. And if you would like some help ordering the tabletop base for your little mini warmer night light, let me know what kind you have, and I'll make sure we get the right one on order for you.